Hi guys, it's Peter. I'm using Coach Ken's Zoom link. Just going to create a quick video on how to set up on the new system. So I want it to be a little more clear. Once you have your Binance funded already, so I haven't gone through that process, but I do have another video showing how to fund Binance for the Canadians. For the US, there are other means to fund Binance. You have to go through a VPN, and you can use Cash App to fund Binance. For Canadians, we use either ShakePay or Netcoins, which can be directly attached to your bank account through email transfer. Okay, so once your Binance account is set up and funded, I do have the video that sets up Binance as well. You would go to your wallet and fiat and spot just to make sure that the funds are there. If you transfer BTC or Bitcoin into Binance, you have to switch it into USDT. So in Netcoins, for the Canadians, we're able to purchase USDT directly within the Netcoins platform. However, when you use ShakePay, you can only purchase Bitcoin or Ethereum. So if you were to use ShakePay and you bought Bitcoin, you would transfer the Bitcoin from ShakePay into the Bitcoin in your Binance wallet, in your Binance. And then once you have Bitcoin, you would switch it to USDT. So you go to Bitcoin or BTC, and on the far right, it says convert. You would convert your BTC into USDT. So everything has to be in USDT for Mad AI to work. Through Netcoins, again, for Canadians, through Netcoins, you can purchase USDT directly on that platform. So what you would do is you would email transfer funds into Netcoins after you get your Netcoins account verified. You would email transfer funds into Netcoins platform and purchase USDT. I do have the video for that. And then once you have USDT and Netcoins, you would come into your Binance account and you would deposit. You would click deposit and get a deposit address, which you would paste in Netcoins. And that takes about 15 minutes to 30 minutes to get the funds over here, okay? So that's how that works. Okay, so I do have funds in new USDT, and it's all set to go here. Let's go back and create an account in Mad AI. I'm gonna do it from scratch. So you get your link. I'm in my daughter's WhatsApp. I'm just gonna go to my link and create an account. We're gonna do it from scratch. Okay, once you get your link, just click translate. If this is in another language, you click the flag on the top right corner and change it to the American flag, and everything will be in English, or most everything will be in English. I'm going to do an email registration. So click on the top where it says email registration, and I'm going to create my username. Okay, I'm going to use my daughter's name. I'll just use the same nickname. Or actually, I'll just call, let's say, Ella. That's her nickname anyway, which is good. Just gonna move my screen down, and the verification code says 6636, I believe. Keep an eye on that. Sometimes that changes. So before you hit the get button for the verification code, make sure that's hasn't changed, 6636. Okay, the email address I'm gonna use is mylegacybot99@gmail.com. Okay, just make sure it's everything spelled correctly. Do not get the code yet. Put in the login password. It makes it so much easier. Okay, so type in a payment password. Confirm the payment password. Sorry, not the payment password, the login password. And then read the user agreement. Once you've read it, click on I have read the agreement, and you agree. Take a last look at that graphic verification code. Make sure it's correct. I think it's 6636. And now you get the code, and it should create a timer. Okay, the timer is on. I'm going to go into my Gmail and get that code for you. Already, just waiting for it to land in my Gmail. Okay, come on. It should come soon. I've got 38 seconds. Okay, I got it. My code is 971816. 971-71816. Okay, got 21 seconds. I should be good. Make sure the code is good again, 6636. Good. And then just press register now. I did something wrong. Bella66. Probably typed in my password wrong. Okay. So this is a good example of what you're supposed to do next, because I don't think this is going to go through properly. Let's change the password and then click send again. Maybe it wasn't long enough. I couldn't read what it said. L-I-C-K. Okay, make sure the that verification code is correct. 6636, I believe. Press send. You see, it can't click. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to refresh this page, because for some reason it doesn't let you do it again. Okay, so what happens next? You have to do it again. LA99. I just use Bella. It may not be long enough, but it should be okay. Verification code 6352. That's what it looks like. 6352. I'm going with an email registration. Click on the email registration on top. Also, make sure the invitation code is automatically populated, okay? Okay, my vacancy 99 at gmail.com. Don't put in the verification. Don't type in anything yet until you finish the login password. Okay, let's try it. Then type in you agree, and now get the password. Just make sure that the activation code is still the same, 6352, I hope. Now get the password. Get the activation code number, verification code number. Timer is on. And I'm checking my email. And I got it. Okay, let's make sure this works. 332835. 332835. Okay. Let's hope it works. Doesn't work. So I did something wrong. Bella 99. Register. See? Bella 99 worked. So what that's telling me was that my nickname was either not long enough or was already used. Okay, you're gonna get to this page. We don't know what to do here, so we just hit the back browser. Just keep translate going, and you go back to the same page where you registered. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna go down and click existing accounts. Okay, and then you log in from here. So you type in your new login, which we know got verified on the other page, right? And type in my login password, and I think that says 6566 as the verification code. 6566, and confirm the login. Okay, that worked. So I'm in my Mad AI. So as you saw, it looked like my issue at that time was my nickname wasn't long enough, or my nickname was already used. I may have created that account before using that nickname in another account. Okay, so once you got to this page, what I did was I did a right click and hit the word inspect to get the size screen. Let me see if I can do that again. Let's see if I can reverse it. No. Okay, so if it's a full screen, hit the right click and hit inspect, and it should bring you back down to the mobile version. Okay, so let's try to speed this up now. Okay, so I have my front page here. The next thing I'm going to be doing is go to the assets section, and we're going to be depositing funds here to pay for the robot. So you want to deposit. Oh, prior to doing that, let's get the verification, the login password set up first. So from this page, you go to the bottom right, you click on the me or mine there, so it's Bella99, and then in the top corner, click the gear, and you change your payment password. Well, we haven't set it yet, so you just click on that. And I signed up with email, right? So you click the word mobile phone verification, and you get this screen. Change it to email verification, press confirm. Make sure that changes to email verification. As you notice, it didn't change, right? There's something wrong here. Try it again. Confirm. It didn't change. So if that happens, just refresh the page. Translate, okay, and then click it again. Click email verification, press confirm. It changed. It's a little glitchy, so these are the things we have to do. Now you set the payment password. Okay, do it again. And now you get the verification code. Okay, the timer is going. Go to your email and wait for the verification code. I got it. So my new verification code is where? 621-635. 621-635. 621-635. And you press confirm, and hopefully this will work because you need a verification is successful. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay. So you have to get the verification successful notice, okay, or else it doesn't go through. So remember, refresh the page if you don't get that email verification to change. These are the little glitches that are part of the system as of right now. Okay, so once you have that done, you have your payment password set up. Now you can purchase the bot. So let's do that. Okay, so how are we going to purchase the bot? We're going to go to the front page. I just kept hitting the back browser to get to this page. On the bottom left, you click the home page screen and just said, okay, just click OK, and then you hit USDT assets. And what we're going to do is we're going to deposit funds into this wallet, we call it, which is the robot wallet. We want to put $200 in here, $150 to pay for the bot, and $50 to have as the little reserve fund where Matt AI takes its 20% on every successful trade. Okay, so you click deposit and you copy this address. Okay, copied successfully, perfect. You go to your Binance now and you go across on your USDT and you withdraw. So we're withdrawing funds from Binance to pay for the bot. So we're going to transfer $200 there. Get rid of this yellow notice. And right, you're in USDT, perfect. Recipient's address is what I just copied, and I'm just going to paste it. So it starts with a TUG, just to go back and confirm. Yep, TUG, we're good. Now, when you're on your Binance account, you go down and you hit Tron Network, TRC20. You type in 201 because it costs $1 for the transaction. And looks like everything's good to go. You're going to get some verification notices now. So you press submit. And now I'm going to use Google verification, okay, as a security measure. Okay, yeah, let's do that. If you don't want to use your phone number. So these are the steps that they tell you to go through. I already downloaded it on my phone and I went through Google Play. So I've already got that step done. So you go to the next step. Okay, it's called Google Authenticator app. And what you do is you take your phone and you go to your Google Authenticator app, and you can actually scan this. So you press the plus on your Google Authenticator and it says scan a QR code. Yes. And you just scan it. There you go. And it automatically adds another email address into your Google Authenticator. Step 3, next. Resetting your Google Authenticator. Okay, that's fine. This key will allow you to recover your Google. Okay, that's fine. Everything is set up on my Google Authenticator. And we're enabling it. So perfect. So we want to send code to my email, and my Google verification code is already in my Google Authenticator. So I type that in, and this changes whenever you need it, I guess. Oh, I got to get my email verification code. Got to check my email now for Binance. Okay, should be coming in soon. Okay, got it. My two-factor code. So this is to verify my, I think it's verify my Google Authenticator. 49292. There it is. 010492. Submit. Got the wrong one. It changed on me already. Gotta hurry. Yeah, change on me. 214. Okay, I gotta do it again. Okay, so email verification code has been sent, and now I'm just gonna get my new Google Authenticator 214 and 427, and then I'm gonna get my email verification code, which is coming into my email right now from Binance. Let's see. Okay, I got it. Here's the new code. It's 352 859 859. Hope this works. Yep. Okay, so my Google Authenticator has been approved. So I'm thinking I have to go through another withdrawal process. Let's see. It's loading. Okay, good. Okay, so you're gonna have to put the email. You have to go back to Mad AI because they had to verify your Google authenticator. Okay, so you copy the address. Let me see if I made a copy. Yeah, copy successful. Go to recipient's address, paste it. Same one. Yep, good. And type it in again. 201. Okay, so this is a good lesson for people starting a raw account. TRX, Tron network. Okay, you have to press that. And then press submit. Here we go. So now we should be good to set up. Get the two-factor authentication going. Send code to my email. This is for the withdrawal, okay? And go to my Google verification authenticator. Okay, it's got a new one. 892507. I'm not sure if you can see this. This is my Google Authenticator app on my phone, and it changes the number. Oh, I better hurry up. And now I got to go to my email and get my code, withdrawal request code from Binance. So I got it. I got to hurry. 540498 and submit. Should be good. Come on. Should say withdrawal successful. And what is it going to say? There you go. Withdrawal request submitted. Okay. So now this is going to take 15 to 20 minutes. So I may have to cut the video and come back to it. But in the meantime, let's set up the API keys. Okay, so that we have to do that anyway. So going back to Mad AI. So we've done all the Binance stuff. It should be good. Go back to Mad AI and just hit the back button. And we're waiting for the $200 to arrive into the assets, okay? Hit the back button again. Hit OK. And let's set up the API keys. Okay, so I'll go to API management. Okay, this is, you got to click on Binance. I got to click on Binance and add to. And now I got to get the API keys from Binance. So I go to back to Binance and you hit the little round icon there with the figure in it and go to API management. Click on that. As soon as it loads, we can set this up. It's going to go through the two-factor authentication again. Okay, just type in, it says, give the API key a label. So Matt space AI. That's what I'm going to call it, create API. And here we go. So I have to get a code in my email and the two-factor a code from Google verification on my app, the Google Authenticator app. Okay, so I'm going to send the code. It's already going, and my Google Authenticator app shows a new number. Pretty cool how this thing works. 320. See, that's, oh, it's up here. Change the number. Okay. I'm getting my email verification code. All right, come on in. Let's go, let's go. Okay, got it. So it says a code to create your API key, 937015. 937015 and hit submit. Perfect. Okay, good. So now we have the APIs. Okay. Now we can copy this first API, which is the API key. Copy. There's a copy button for it. It says copy to clipboard. Go back to Matt AI and make sure it says Binance on the top, Binance API key. It does. And then paste it. Okay, now you go to the Binance and get the secret key. There's no copy button for some reason, but you can just highlight it. And then right click, copy, go back to Matt AI, right click, paste. So that's there. And we're just going to click import. Saving. And it's copied successful. So that's good. Let's make sure that we have the right platform. All you do is at the bottom, click the second icon, which is trade. And you notice that it says Huobi there. We're going to have to change that. Click on the word Huobi. Okay. And we're going to click on Binance. Select Binance, confirm. And it said save successfully. So now your platform is Binance. Let's go back. And it changed to Binance. There it is. And you could see that my US dollar Tether account is 975, which is the exact amount that's in my Binance account. Let's just go back and show you that. Where is it? In my wallet, be it in spot, just loading up. So it should be 975. It should be the exact reflection of what's in my Binance account, because that means the API has been set up and you could see everything possible there. And then that's good. So you just go to API management and then just set this up properly and you'll be good to go. All right. So you should see USDT. There it is. The amount available is 975, which is the exact amount. And that's right. So you go back to Matt AI and everything should be good there. We're waiting for the assets to arrive. We're looking for $200 to arrive here, and it still hasn't arrived yet. So we're waiting. So I'll probably have to wait, and I'll have to edit this video because I have to wait for those funds to come. But once the funds arrive here, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go back, and you're going to go back to the bottom right from the home page, and you get to this page. And what you would do is you click the my activation code and you would purchase it. As soon as you click the word purchase, you're going to get a drop down, you're going to get a pop-up, and it's going to say purchase one bot, and you put in that payment password that we created earlier on. Okay, so I'm just stalling a little bit, hoping that we can get those funds in there. But like I said, it's going to take a while. It might take 15 more minutes. And I guess we have to wait. Yeah, still not there. I can just keep refreshing, but it still doesn't. It's still not going to do it yet. I'm going to wait, and then we'll wait and see. But in the meantime, let's just navigate through this. Let's show you what's in the back office. Okay, so on the top left is your ledger. This is where you're going to see your daily profits, and on the bottom, on the top right corner, you're going to see your accumulated profits. Okay, this will change after every 24 hours. It would zero out, meaning a new day will start. The time zone for this to change varies. So for Eastern time, it's 12 noon to 12 noon. Pacific time is 9 a.m. to 9 a.m. Alberta time is 10 a.m. to 10 a.m. And according to your time zone, so you just have to follow that along. So every noon for me, this will reset to zero, and the accumulated will continue to grow on a daily basis. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to build that accumulated account so that it far exceeds any daily P&L that may be occurring on your Binance account. So we want to get far enough beyond that daily P&L, which is going to be a negative number when you start. So even in the first week, that P&L will be negative, and your accumulated profit will slowly grow to the point where it's equal, and then eventually your accumulated profit is going to be so much greater than your daily P&L that it becomes less significant. Okay, so that's how you have to think about it. When you first start off, you're going to be negative. If you were to liquidate everything, you're still going to be negative because a lot of your coins will still be in the process of getting to the profit zone and closing out in profit. But some of them may still hold your funds and wait till it gets to that point. So our parameters, coin parameters, are here. You can see if you just click on one of the coins, you'll be able to set the parameters. I might as well do that while we wait for the assets to arrive. So let's click on BTC. Okay, make sure on the top left corner it says BTC, and I haven't mentioned this yet, but Chrome is not very compatible. So use Firefox or Edge as your browser when you set this up. Okay, so you got BTC. Make sure it loads up on top left corner first. It's going to be default settings already. So what I would do is click strategy setting, and then the first order limit is set to 10. Make sure it's 12 as the minimum order. Okay, that's the new minimum order recommended by the people that created Mad AI. So for BTC, I'm going to go a little higher. I'm going to put it at 15 because it's one of the more stable coins. And the parameters that we're going to be using are 2 and 3. 5 is good. This one is going to be 10. I can barely read that, but it should be 10. And this one is 20. 3, 5, 10, 20. And this one is 30. Hope I got rid of that. 30. And the last one is 30 as well. 30. Okay, once you've 2, 3, 5, 10, 20, 30, 30. Once you've set that up, press confirm. And if everything else is good, if the take profit ratio defaults to 1.3, I don't mind keeping it at that. Take profit retracement is at 0.3, that's fine. Your cover pullback is at 0.5, and that's fine. Those are the settings that I recommend, and those are the settings that have been set as default. Remember, change this. If it's a 10, change it to 12 if you want to start with a smaller account. For a $500 account, change it to 12. I've changed Bitcoin to 15. Press confirm on the top corner. There it is, and it's saved successfully. Shouldn't have gone to that screen. Go back. Once the funds arrive, you would click start. But right now, the funds haven't arrived for me to start because I haven't started my bot yet. I have to pay for it still. Okay, so those are the settings. You can do that for Ethereum as well. Make sure Ethereum shows up on the top left corner. Go to strategy setting. Change this to 12 or 15. Since Ethereum is one of the stable coins, I'm going to go to 15. Go to the word set, click that, change that to 2, 3, 5 is right. This setting should be 10, 20, 30, 30, 30, 30. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 10, 20, 30, 30. Press confirm. And then you confirm on the top right corner because all the other settings should be fine. Save successfully. And then this is where you click start. But I can't start it because I haven't purchased the bot yet, like I said. Okay, so go back out. We still have our USDT funds, good. So I'm going to use Bitcoin, Ethereum. I like to use IOTA and Link. Let's go to Link. For people starting off, let's go to Link. Where is it? LINK. Where are you? There it is. Okay. And you would go to strategy setting, change this to 12. I only use 15 for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. I'm going to sign up with, I'm going to use BNB here as well. Okay, once again, 2, 3, oops, can't really see that. 3, 5 is good. 10, that's 10. 20, 30, 30. Okay, confirm. I hope I put everything in correctly. Confirm. And confirm again in the top corner. It says save successfully. And then you would press start once you finish doing all of this stuff. And then you just go back to the front and you would set up your next coin. And for my account, I'm just going to go with, I think I'm going to go with 7 or 8 coins for this and keep these settings as conservative as possible. Keep the settings the same way the company recommends for this account. Okay, I just refreshed the page. I just want to see if I can go back to my assets section and see if it's there. If it is, then we can do the next step. Oh, there it is, guys. We stalled enough. Okay, we have $200 in there now. What we're going to do is go back out and we're going to purchase the bot. The way we do that is once you're on the front page, you go to the bottom right corner and you hit my activation code. As you can see, it hasn't loaded up. There it is. Just loaded up my daughter's name there. You hit my activation code. And then at the bottom, you press purchase. And you can see purchase 1. And the amount is 150. Transaction password is the one that we set up before. Remember, guys? Okay. And you hit confirm. If everything is good, it should be going through. There. That means I paid for it. Okay, now we have to activate it. This is the code. You copy it. You go back and user activation. This is where you enter the code. You click user activation, right click, paste, activate. It's going to change the status of my account. As soon as it loads up, it should say 1 star. There should be a star up there soon. Hopefully. Let me refresh the page so we can get that showing. We saw for a second anyways, it's there. So we purchased it. It should reduce the asset amount. Let's just go back to the assets page. Assets, there. Reduce it by 50. So you can see the transaction. You bought the activation code and everything. My sponsor now will get the extra $45 from this purchase. Okay, good. So now all you have to do is hit the trade at the bottom, second one, and start picking up your coins. And I'm going to show you how I set up Bitcoin, right? Let's just start it now because it's already been set up. All the parameters are set. Let's just make sure. Strategy setting, that should say 15 top right. Parameters are all set, 2, 3, 5, 10, 20, 30, 30, confirm, confirm. And we can start the bot now. Click start. Want to confirm to start? Yes, confirm. And that's it. I'm trading. I got Bitcoin going. And what happens now is that the log sheet is going to initiate that trade. Click on the log, which is the second last icon on the bottom. And this takes a little bit to load sometimes. And in this log sheet, it's going to show that Bitcoin transaction has been initiated. Hopefully it loads soon so we don't have to wait too long here. Okay. Come on, load up quick. I'll just refresh it. So I wanted to show you guys what's happening here. Okay, but you will see that. It's not loading up fast enough. Okay, that's how you do this, guys. You just have to start picking all your coins. Okay, so you go back to the second tab at the bottom, which is your tab there. And then if all the coins that you end up selecting will show up in the middle tab, which is the operation. I clicked on it and there's Bitcoin. See that? Don't worry that it says Huobi. They got this mixed up. So don't worry about that. So I got Bitcoin and I'm waiting for it to purchase. And then when I go back and click Ethereum, let's just start that one. ETH, I believe. Where is it? There it is. Click on it. Settings we've already set earlier. Let's double check. 15, 2, 3, 5, 10, 20, 30, 30. You confirm here, confirm on the top. Operation successful. And then you have to hit start. Confirm it. Operation successful. Now I got Ethereum going. You go back. Okay, and you start picking the rest of your coins. I'm going to do another 6 more, I believe. My count's about a little less than 1,000. 8 coins is good at 15, 15, 15 for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. I'm going to go with Link. I'm going to go with IOTA. I like IOTA. I'm going to go with 1inch. I like that coin. I'm going to go with COS. And I'm going to go with EOS. I like that, EOS. That's another 5 more. And I'm going to go with XRP and possibly even ADA. So those are my choices. Those are the ones that I like based on my experience so far. You can go with DOT as well, but go with 7 to 8 coins when you start. I know a lot of people like Dogecoin right now. LTC is good too. That's Litecoin. So you can, those are the ones that I would use in my arsenal when you first start up. Dash is good too. And yeah, I think you're good to go. That's how everything gets going. You will go back to your home page, and if you wanted to see your daily profits, this is where you click, and just go back, and you're back on your home page. If you wanted to see where your link button is on the bottom right, you click it, you click me, you go back to this page, and you click share, and this is where you will see your affiliate link. You click the copy and it says copy successful. It's on your clipboard. Send it to whoever you like, whoever wants to sign up. And you can send it through WhatsApp. You can send it through email or by text message. And all they have to do is click on it and follow this video because it starts from the point where you get that link. It's like we're in a loop now. Okay, we're good. I think those are the things I want to show you. They have a ranking list, which is pretty cool. Shows you how much money people are making and who's made the most for the day. Look at this guy. Look at the money these guys are making. Awesome. It's great to see. We're all going to get there one day. What else I want to show you here? I think that's good. I will show you one last thing, which is the community page. And when it's in the middle here and you click on it, it will show you your whole team. when you start signing up people. So when you send out your link and people sign up under that link, these direct users will be populated in this field here. You will earn 20% of that 20% commission that gets drawn out from your assets page. So let me just quickly emphasize this point. You need to have a minimum of $10 in here at all times, or else the bot's not going to trade for you. So keep a close eye on this. Always keep around 50 and everything should be okay. So every $200 in profit, it's going to drop $40. Okay, so you got to be aware of that, because if it drops below 10, your bot stops trading and then you have to start all the coins again. And that's happened to me in my other account. So make sure that you pay attention to total assets. People are wondering why their bot isn't working. They have to restart the coins too. So you have to have assets in here. And if you sign up somebody directly and they purchase the bot, you're going to get another $45 added to here. Okay. And when you become 2-star, when you have 50 people in your team and you have 3 people directly below you on your link and they're all activated, you will earn a 10% override on all the trading accounts below you till infinity. That kind of sums it up. And then you can learn more about the 3-star advancement and 4-star, 5-star, and partner advancement. Okay, so lots of room to move up in ranking. I think that's it. I think we should end this. Your ledger on the left, assets in the purple there. Make sure it is well over 10 bucks. Don't even let it go down to 10 bucks, or else your bot's going to stop working. And then your log. I don't think it's going to load, but when you have a chance to look at your own log, you will see all the transactions in here. Okay, guys, if there's any questions or any comments or anything like that, just message me on Telegram. And I hope this kind of helped. Okay, thanks. Bye. And